How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to another cooking video. So today we're going to be making a pea and mint soup, and that is from, I do believe, yes, Slimming World's Little Book of Soups. So I've had this a while, this book, and I've always been meaning to make some stuff from it, never really got round to it. So I thought, might as well do it now, because the weather's still cold and things like that. So I have started prepping it, mainly because just as I got all set up, somebody rang me, so I thought, get things chopped. So we've got one onion, finely chopped, 2 sticks of celery, finely chopped. Then over here we've got 600 grams of frozen peas, some black pepper here for later, and I've just literally put the boiling water into the veg stock. So it says 1 litre of veg stock. I got 2 cubes, which it's 450ml to dilute them. So I've just done 900 because honestly, when it comes to soup, 100 millilitres of water or whatever doesn't make much difference at all. I mean, if you've watched the veg soup video, that's my recipe, and I don't even measure the water for that. I just chuck it all in and I hope for the best. So that's all near enough dissolved in there. So I've only got one more thing to do now, which is I've got some fresh mint here. Obviously it's pea and mint soup, and mint is a very crucial ingredient. So we need to take the leaves off, get rid of the stems, and we need 6 tablespoons of very, very finely chopped mint leaves. So obviously I'm not going to make you sit through that, I'm just going to get it done. One thing I will say about when you're working with, well, cooking with mint is buy fresh mint. It's so much better. You can get like oregano, parsley. You'll see a lot in like my cooking videos. I don't care if it's dry, like, you know, the dry jarred stuff. Mint is just a whole other ball game than getting like something dried or you know, just some alternative. Fresh mint is the bee's knees. As you cut it, all the smell, like the flavour and everything releases. It's fantastic. It smells good on your fingers. Just everything about it is just so much better than dried stuff. And it's not even a price issue, because I got a really big bag. I mean, I still got all this to go through here. And it was about 80p, 85 pence. So, you know, and this is going to make a soup that serves 4 people, which, let's face it, sometimes these recipes are a little bit, you know, for big servings. Soup for me is a light dinner, never like a tea or anything like that. So, I don't really think it might be more than that. We'll have to just see at the end result. So that's it, everything is chopped. I've got the mint in there, so now let's get on with the cooking. Right, so here we go. So I've put this over a medium to high heat because we need to get this to start boiling when we've got it all in. So we're going to put the onion in now, followed by the celery, and I didn't say this at the beginning, I think I forgot. You need 2 cloves of garlic, it says. However, I'm using, oh, bloody hell, I can get in it, lazy garlic, so use roughly, you know, a good teaspoon. Be very generous with your garlic, maybe just a smidge more, because I do love garlic. And then obviously, it wouldn't be pea soup without it. We need to add in the peas, without spilling any, preferably. Awesome, in we go. I'm hoping this pan's big enough. I really am. There we go, we only lost one. I was going to give it a quick mix, because then we need to add in the stock, which hopefully doesn't make this go too full. And it didn't. That's brilliant. So that is perfect. So we're gonna give it a stir again, just make sure everything's mixed in nicely, and then we're going to put the lid on, bring it to the boil, then we're going to reduce it down to medium and cook it for 20 minutes. Okay, so it's done. It's had its 20 minutes cooking. So now we need to add the mint and give it a blaze. Right, so like I said, I'm just going to sprinkle the mint around the surface, and then we need to get this and give it a good blaze. If I will turn that around so I can hold it properly. Hot. So, I think that's as smooth as I'm going to get it anyway. It smells really good with all the mint. Let's get it dished up and see what it tastes like. Right. So, try not to make a mess. Obviously it's not going to look the most appetizing, it's pea, so it's green. But, again, it has made a really nice amount of soup. So, let me turn this on. That did nothing, but yeah, it looks alright. Smells good. Let's give it a taste. So, here we go. Do you know what? That's nice. I weren't expecting to enjoy it very much, because it's not really any seasoning. In fact, I've even forgotten to put the black pepper in. But that's nice. I mean, I'm a fan of like mushy peas, and obviously it's got that taste to it. And then the mint in there is lovely as well. And I can't really... It tastes like there's so much seasoning to it, but all it is like the garlic and onion. Because then after that, it's celery and peas. I mean, how boring and bland does that sound? But it's really nice. Go nice for like some crusty bread or something. But yeah, that's really good. I'm really happy with how that's turned out. Well, I'm going to get that finished because... that's well worth making. That is such a cheap meal to make. I mean, the peas, 850 gram bag of frozen peas cost me like 55p. So you don't need to get anything fancy. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Obviously, if you did, leave a like. And if you're not already subscribed, because that just means the world, drop me a comment, let me know what you think. And other than that, hopefully see you in the next video. Bye bye.